Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can see your Instagram username password on your iPhone. So as you guys can see, I'm using an iPhone over here. So basically to see your username in Instagram, it's easy. You can just click on your profile picture at the bottom of your screen. And at the top over here where it says Witchy677, that's my username. You can come to your profile to see your username like this, alright? But if you want to see your passport, you need to do something different, alright? And I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on with today's video now, shall we? So to see your Instagram username, as I showed you, you can come to your profile to see it. But to see your passport, you cannot see it on Instagram. So Instagram, for like security reason, doesn't display your passport. There's no setting you can click in order to see your Instagram passport. You can reset your passport if you forgot it. If you forgot your passport, you can reset it to change it into newer one, alright? You can do that. But if you want to see your current passport, you cannot do it unless you have saved it on your iPhone. So if you do not know, you can save passports on your iPhone. And if you have saved it, then I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can see it. First step, you go on your setting on iPhone and scroll all the way down until you see passports. Now once you see passports over here, click on it. So as you guys can see, I have saved two passports. The one with the TikTok logo is my TikTok's passport. The one with the C logo is my C's passport, alright? So as you guys can see, but I have not saved my Instagram passport, otherwise my Instagram logo is going to be shown over here. Now, if you have saved the Instagram's passport, your Instagram logo is going to be shown over here along with its passport. Now I have blurred my screen because I don't want you guys to know my password, that's why I blurred it. But if you guys have saved your Instagram account's password, it's going to be shown over here, alright? So yeah, this is the only way you guys can see your password in Instagram. If you guys have saved it on your iPhone, you can see it because there is no setting on iPhone through which you can see your password. You can only see your username. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can see your Instagram username and password on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, one to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.